Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're checking out the G3 Plus controller grips made for your MetaQuest 3 and 3S headsets. This one we're going to unbox them, I'll show you how to put them on. I'm going to show you how you can use them with their charging dock as well, and I'll give you my review in the end. Let's jump into it. Alright, so in the box we have our controller grips, and we have some spare wrist straps as well. So that's all that really comes in it. Our instructions, as always with Bobovr, are right on their box. They're really easy to follow. So let's go through our little installation process. Here I have two of the controllers. You're going to want to make sure that the wrist straps that were on there are gone. If you don't know how to do that, you need to eject your case here, and then you can just slide them up and out, and then you can replace your battery cover and you're good to go. So you're going to want to take your controller, and all you need to do is just literally slide it in to this case, and you just need to peel around the silicone cover so that it is covering your controller. That's literally all it is. We'll do that here with the other one. And there we go. Try putting it on, depending on how you like the feel. For me, that's actually pretty good just where it is default, but you can undo this strap and tighten it, or you can loosen it depending on your preference and size of hands. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. I will test them out, and then I will come back, show you how to use them with the dock, and give you my review, of course. Alright, so I've had a chance to use these. Now let's talk about them and give you my review. So in terms of overall design, I like that they've gone with the nice strap on the side. That makes it really easy to adjust with that Velcro there. You can undo that, tighten it, and put it back down, and you're good to go. It's easy to do during playtime as well, and you can do it even if you have the other controller on. I found that these grips are actually quite thin, I almost want to say, but not in a bad way. They're lightweight. There's not a lot of extra bulk to them, which is nice. They feel like they really just kind of go right around the controller. They're not adding a lot of extra weight or extra bulk to your controller. How they are going around with this little top bit here, I haven't had any problems with that coming loose or with tracking issues. It allows all those sensors to still be in use. I've had issues before with different types of controller grips coming loose depending on their mechanism. With this little bit here, I haven't had any problems so far, even with very active games that I've been playing. The silicone material itself, it's fine. It's a little bit smooth for my preference. I like some other ones that do have a bit more of a texture to it. It does have some textured parts throughout. It was still comfortable to use. I didn't find it uncomfortable. It has two middle pins here that are used on the charging dock to use them while charging. I can feel them when I have it on, but while playing it, they weren't annoying or they weren't digging into my hands at all. So that was fine as well. The Plus, this is the Plus version of the G3 controller grips. It does add a little bit of extra to the bottom of the controller, and so that is good for people with big hands, and yeah, just makes it a bit more comfortable. Big plus to these is that if you have their D3 charging dock, you can actually just put them on, and they will be able to charge through the charging dock because of those two little pins that we saw in there. So that is a big plus if you are going to be using this charging dock. Price point, we're looking at $30 regular price. They do go on sale on Amazon and on their website at various times of year, so make sure you watch out for that. And in terms of pricing for controller grips, that's a pretty average price. If you're going with their charging dock, it's almost a no-brainer to get these or just the G3s. Again, these just have a little bit more to them to make it so they are better for bigger hands, and these are the ones that I decided to go with. If you have any questions about them, make sure to let me know. I would recommend them, especially if you are using their charging dock. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.